These 5 diseases are all caused by microwave ovens, and you've probably ignored them. Microwaves oven are very simple and convenient option for cooking. They became all the rage for more than 30 years ago, transforming the way we look on food and cooking. However, it turns out that microwaves are not as healthy option for cooking after all. In fact, there are far better options which ensure you get all the nutrients found in the food. Microwave is form of non-ionizing radiation, as opposed to the X-rays, nuclear medicine and gamma radiation, which are forms of ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiation changes the electromagnetic nature of atoms and changes the way other atoms interact. In microwave ovens, the food is trapped into high-frequency waves of heat, which is said to be detrimental to our health. Below, you can read about the 5 most common issues whose onset is triggered by microwave ovens. Check them out. 1. Cancer. Radiation from this cooking device accumulates in the human body and becomes cancer-causing over time. 2. Fatigue. It has been shown that microwave ovens can cause fatigue and obesity as well. 3. Insomnia. Microwaves affect the brain and cause damage, which in turn results in issues like insomnia. 4. Loss of nutrients. Cooking in microwave kills all flavors and nutrients of the food. 5. Loss of antioxidants. This cooking device destroys the antioxidant content of the food, which in turn contributes to an increased risk of heart attack and cholesterol. Therefore, you should be extra cautious when it comes to cooking and try to stay away from harmful devices. There are many safer and better options right there.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.